Good afternoon. We are here at the Blaubank test site on the coal line in South Africa. This position where we are is more or less between Vryheid and Ulundi. And from Ulundi, the railway line goes all the way to Richards Bay. Now, if you look at the kilometer distance here, we are at kilometer 60 and the mast pole is between 16 and 17. So there's about 20 mast poles in a kilometer. So we're more or less at the end of kilometer 60. And that is 60 kilometers from Vryheid. At Vryheid, the kilometers are 0, and then they run all the way to Richards Bay, where it's just over 200.
All the wires and things, and smoke on, go to say hello. Smoke on, go.
So there you are, now you're watching the Schoolmaster of the Sky.
This is Engineering 4.0, our latest research facility on the Innovation Africa campus of the University of Pretoria. At this facility, we plan to train and educate and do research with engineers of the future, looking at intelligent transportation and infrastructure. That is important for South Africa as well as the rest of the continent, because in a fourth industrial revolution era, we need to make sure that our engineers can support the livelihood of our communities through making sure that we provide the best infrastructure available. The facility is supported and has been developed through the generous support from SANRAL and the University of Pretoria, and we will operate it together with the CSIR. Welcome to Engineering 4.0.